wanted to do a quick video on the calipers that I just painted. So this is the outcome. Decided to paint them red with Dupli-Color. It's actually a brush-on paint. I think it makes the car look a lot better. Subtle detail, but kind of in the wheels it was a little dead, and I originally wanted to do black, but I figured it might get lost in there because of the dark barrel, so I was like, let me just do the red. Now you can see up close, you know, there's some imperfections when you get very, very close, but overall the finish is really nice. It's shiny. I didn't paint the clips, which is the best way to do it. Otherwise, it just looks like a red mess in there. So pulled all those off. Same thing with the back. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to answer them the best I can.